understanding Python certifications.
Python certifications are credentials awarded after passing exams that assess your programming skills. Popular options include the PCEP and PCAP certificates, which test foundational and intermediate knowledge. These certifications are offered by organizations like the Python Institute. Many people pursue them to stand out in the tech job market, but opinions on their value vary widely.
Benefits of getting certified.
A Python certification can help demonstrate your commitment to learning and verifying your skills. For beginners, certification provides structure and clear goals. It can also serve as a confidence boost and a conversation starter in interviews. Some recruiters use certifications as a quick way to filter candidates, especially for entry-level roles or internships.
Limitations and drawbacks.
Despite their advantages, Python certifications have limitations. Most employers prioritize real-world coding experience and project portfolios over certificates. Some hiring managers view certifications as less important than practical know-how. Certifications often test theoretical knowledge, not the problem-solving skills needed on the job. Additionally, some credentials can be costly without guaranteeing better job prospects.
When is certification most useful?
Certification is especially helpful if you're new to tech or switching careers. It can validate your dedication and speed up your learning. Certifications might also benefit those in regions where formal qualifications matter or when applying to companies that list them as requirements. For experienced professionals, a strong portfolio usually weighs more than a certificate.
Alternatives to certification.
Many successful Python developers focus on building projects, contributing to open source, or earning degrees in computer science, instead of pursuing certification. Sharing your code on platforms like GitHub and completing hands-on projects can often make a bigger impression on employers than a certification alone.
Is a Python certification worth it?
A Python certification can be worth getting if it aligns with your goals and learning style. It's most valuable for beginners or those lacking formal credentials. For most tech jobs, showcasing practical skills and completed projects is more important. Carefully weigh the potential benefits before investing time or money in certification.